Hub. In today's video we are going to show you how you can change Chromecast name. So first of all you need to head over to the Chromecast settings, and then you have to head over to the system in the Chromecast settings, and now you will find about option in the system menu. Just tap on it, and there you will see the device name. Mine is living room 2, so I would like to change it. So you can either choose from these preset names, or you can manually enter your own custom name by heading to the bottom of this list. I will show you. So as you can see, there is an option to enter custom name, so you can add your custom name. So let me add GC Hub as the custom name for this particular Chromecast. And after that you just need to push the arrow button and your Chromecast name has been changed. That's it. For more such videos, stay connected with us and follow us on YouTube.